Good morning. Today we're gonna have a delicious breakfast, Torta De Chorizo. I'm ready, my coffee's ready, and my beard is ready. Are you ready? Let's cook.
We're gonna start with some avocados. I used 4 big ones. Cut them up and put them into a bowl, and it's like you're making a guac without the tomatoes, onions. Then I add my favorite ingredient, Kosher Salt, and some crushed pepper. Always taste your food. I'm gonna add a little lemon just to give it some flavor. I'm gonna use my Ninja non-stick pan. I got about 1 pound of pork chorizo from the butcher shop. I'll be using Pan Telera, which is perfect for this torta. I always put butter on my bread. When you add the guac to your bread, make sure it's the top part of the bread. Then you add the chorizo to the bottom part of the bread. It's easier to flip the avocado bread than the chorizo, obviously. Add some Monterrey Jack Cheese. Put it in the oven for 5 minutes at 350 degrees. This torta was so good. It doesn't give you that heartburn that other chorizo that comes packaged gives you. It's fresh, it's good, it's perfect. You can also add 2 eggs over easy if you want. And for the best part, spending this quality time with family. Life is too short. Enjoy life. Dare to go beyond the status quo. We're only here on this planet a short period of time, so let's make it count.
Chorizo con aguacate.